Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Ladies and gentlemen, the name's International Stacker, and we're about to be live here in just about, 9 minutes and 10 seconds here. Smash a like button if you're ready. Smash a like button if you're excited. I'm sorry, 9 minutes and 25 seconds. Can you hear me?
Life you understand. Hotel room scale on the desk, counting every ounce I've kept. Airplane windows, dawn and dusk, dreaming about the next big chest. Desert markets, ocean ports, whispers in a hidden court, map lines, red ink, folded corners, X mark secrets in the borders.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live here shortly, breaking down all the gold and silver news. If you're ready, put I'm ready in the chat. If you bought the dip, put I bought the dip in chat. Smash the like button. We're going to be live covering it all here in just a few seconds. Smash that like button.
Old ship bell in a coastal town, rusty safe getting dragged out now. Ancient coins in a dusty tray, shine 'em up, watch the years fall away. Border trains through the midnight haze, customs line, keep the nerves in place. Secret pockets sewn inside my coat, every bar another little vote.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to be live. Smash the like button if you're ready. We got breaking news, but the breaking news is silver. Gold raging overnight because of a peace deal. Buckle up, ladies and gentlemen. What are we going to be to by the end of the week? 75? 80? 100? What do you think? Put it in chat right now.
From Tokyo nights to Rio sun, from Arctic ice to island drums, every stamp on my page, another drop in the way. Silver stackers, answer the call. Voices rise like a tidal wall. From Tokyo nights to Rio sun, from Arctic ice to island drums, every stamp on my page, another drop in the way. From Tokyo nights to Rio sun, from Arctic ice to island drums.
Okay, I just put out the post on X about the live stream. If you could go retweet that, I'd appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're going to be live here in just about 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Smash the like button if you're ready. And look at that. Mongo bought the dip. $30 face. Roosevelt dime 62. Nice. Spark Stacker says, I've recruited a new stacker, meeting him at the LCS at 11. Nice.
Stacks of silver, stacks of gold, digging treasure, riches on.
And William Posey saying Michael Oliver said silver is pissed.
Say
Wow.
Coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill. Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up wealth and so much more.
Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. We're going to be live in just 4 minutes and 14 seconds, breaking down the gold and silver news, answering your questions, reading the tea leaves. Silver and gold exploding overnight. What's going to happen today? We're going to find out together live.
Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International, stack 'em that mill. So hit that slow, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live here in just 3 minutes and 15 seconds, breaking it all down. The gold and silver news. Yes, Victor, I believe this is the reversal. As long as the P still happens, I'm going to break it all down here shortly. Smash a like button if you're ready.
Join the quest, riches await. You're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
There you go, Ralph.
Crabs are grooving.
Keep smashing that like button, guys. We're one away from 100. Who's going to be lucky number 100 to smash like and get good luck for 87 days?
We chase treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party now.
Okay, let's get a crab dance going right now. Thank you, Oli Stacker. Drop a crab in chat if you're ready. A crab, C-R-A-B, not a poop, not poop. Not C-R-A-P, C-R-A-B. Come on. Let's get it.
Gold and silver, who wants it all?
Who wants it all?
Ready for the mega gaw?
Who is ready for the mega? I am so ready for the mega gaw.
Treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up, don't delay. Yeah, join the party night and day. Gold and silver,
Share the stream, smash the like button. This is going to be a fun one, ladies and gentlemen.
dance with me.
Let's get it.
Tidal rhythms in the sand.
Silver just a handful of minutes ago broke 71. It's back under 71, but it literally just broke 71. Thank you, Bluegrass, for being a Diamond Claws member for 4 months. Saying, let's get it. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Your claws up in the sky.
Yes.
International stacker, he's our guide.
Let's go, let's go.
And silver is the key. Crustacean nation.
Who's with me? Who is dancing with me right now? Let's get it.
Dance with me.
Okay, do you guys want the old school, the little kid, or crab migration intro? Let me know ASAP. Let me know ASAP. It depends which park, Michael. It depends which park.
Dance with me.
Here we go. Oh no, I forgot the music. I forgot the music.
With me.
One stacker on a journey.
stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
What up, ladies and gentlemen? Man, are you guys hearing an echo with the music? I am hearing an echo with the music. If you're hearing an echo, let me know. With the music. Yeah, wow, that sounds horrible. Okay, we're gonna go no music on the stream today. The name's International Stacker. Coming to you live. I'm not in Key West, Florida. I am in a hotel room in Orlando, Florida. And after this live stream, ladies and gentlemen, I'm taking Mrs. IS, I am taking Rat Stacker, and we are going to the Magical Kingdom. Your boy's going to be riding on Peter Pan. Your boy's going to be riding on Winnie the Pooh of the Haunted Mansion. We're about to have a great night. And look at that. Thank you so much, Jeff Stout, for gifting 5 International Stacker memberships. Those went to Ron, Jay Jones, Jim, Nout, and Bullion. Congratulations. You guys are mega. Wow. Woo! Okay, so here's what happened overnight with silver. We hit a low of $69.38. We hit a high of $71.04, and we're currently on a green candle at 70.79. And ladies and gentlemen, right now we just hit 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I turned the music off because I'm getting an echo. I'm getting a weird echo. Do you guys hear an echo right now when I play this? I'm hearing a weird echo. Hold up. Let's see if I can figure this out. Oh, I see why. Give me a second here. I fixed the echo. The echo has been fixed, ladies and gentlemen. We are good. The echo has been fixed. Okay, we are good. We got the music. We're about to rock out. Buckle up. So that's what happened with silver overnight. And again, hitting a low of 69.38, hitting a high of 74.01, on a green candle, 70.79. So we were literally just over 71. As of last night, if you look down here in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, we are up 4.06% since 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time last night. And we are going to be raging today, guys. I asked a question yesterday on X I'm going to review. I said, are we going to be at $75 by the end of the week? What do you guys think? We might be to $75 today. Gold as well. We had a gap up on gold, and don't forget we had this gap up on silver, but it's okay. It means we're going to be able to eventually play our gap up song that we love so much. Music fixed, but it's too loud, okay? There we go. I just turned the music down. Is that low enough? Let me know. There we go. Let me know if that's low enough. Okay, gold to silver ratio hit 61.21 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. And ladies and gentlemen, cut the music by 30 cents. Oh my goodness. It's because I was messing with it, trying to fix it. How is that? I've got a 50% here and 40% on my interface. How is that? If it's perfect, put perfect. If it needs to go lower, put go lower. Let me know. Okay, gold hit a high of 4,347.66 overnight. It hit a low of 4,280.28 overnight. It's currently on a green candle, $4,336.44. Okay. So that's gold for overnight. Shanghai, guys, the big La Bamba. Look at this. It hit a low overnight. First up, it had a massive gap up. Look at this. It hit a massive gap up there. You can fly a plane through that. Drive a Mack truck through that. Okay, I adjusted it a little bit more there. It hit a low overnight of 77.61. It hit a high of 78.78. It closed on a red candle at 77.86. But guys, this is going to change here in just 57 minutes, and we should, as long as the stream holds up, we will be watching that open back up together, ladies and gentlemen. Turn the volume down if it's too loud. Still too loud. Okay, let me back it down a little bit more. Sorry, guys. When I switch the interface and everything to a new location, sometimes I can hit a knob. How is that? Is the music perfect now? If it's perfect, say it's perfect now. Okay. So let's go to the breaking gold and silver news here. Let's show you guys what's happening. So this is Gold Telegraph a little bit earlier saying, breaking news, Singapore plans to launch a gold clearing system this year with banks including JP Morgan Chase. The gold world continues to change. And look at here. Here's the article here from Bloomberg. Singapore Exchange will establish over-the-counter clearing mechanism. And they included JP Morgan Chase. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, buckle up right now. Here's the post for going live. Thank you. And look at this. This is from Portrait One, live from Lebanon. Let's see what he's got going on here.
My God, IS, what are you doing on the beaches of Lebanon drinking Almaza Rosé beer without Mrs. IS? Does she know that?
Oh, and this is Portrait One in Lebanon. Caught me on the beach with an Almaza beer. Where is Mrs. IS? I've been caught. Here's Jake from Hero Bowling. And guys, I'm going to have Jake back on. I believe it's the 25th. Guys, I got multiple guests coming on. So let me tell you what we got coming up. So, no. The 28th. The 28th, I have the CEO of Hero Bullion coming back on, Jake, to give us a behind the stack update. The 25th or 24th, I have to double check, I believe. I'm going to have Ron from Ron's Basement on. So he's going to be coming on the week. What is that? The week after next? No, that's next week. And then Lynette Zhang, I'm working on getting Lynette Zhang on as well. So we got a lot of fun and cool guests coming on. So it's going to be pretty mega. Here's the next piece of news here, guys. And if you're wondering what happened, what caused this big gap up on silver, what caused this massive gap up on gold, if you go to the DXY, the dollar index, and you're wondering what caused that gap down on dollar and what caused oil to gap down, it's almost sub 80. U.S. oil is almost sub 80. Look at that gap down. WTI is sub 80 at 79. Crude is almost sub 80. Look at that gap down. Brent, sub. Look at all, ladies and gentlemen. If you're wondering why all of that happened, there we go. It's because of this right here. This happened last night. We covered it live on stream last night. Here we go. Major breaking. Iran deal complete. Strait of Hormuz reopening immediately. The deal with the Islamic Republic of Iran is now complete. I hereby fully authorize the toll-free opening of the Strait of Hormuz and simultaneously within authorize the immediate removal of the United States naval blockade. Ships of the world, start your engines, let the oil flow. And then he came out with the post a little bit later. So it sounds like this agreement, allegedly, supposedly, guys, we all have agreement whiplash. I'm with you. We all have agreement whiplash. But if this happens, it's supposed to be signed in Switzerland on Friday. And the Strait of Hormuz will be supposedly officially opening on Friday because between now and then, they have to demine it. Okay, so that's what was said in the comment. Now, I want to put a poll in chat right now. Guys, we all have peace deal whiplash, and we know the Iranians don't always necessarily tell the truth. Hold up. Will the peace deal be... I want to see what you guys think. Signed on Friday. Yes. No. Okay, here it comes. Here comes the poll. Let's see what you guys actually think. Is it actually going to be signed? No, the strait is not flowing. He came out, the President Trump came out later and announced that it was going to happen on Friday. Like, the blockade, I believe, is removed, but the full reopening was going to wait till Friday, so this could be demined. But look at this. We got a bunch of offshore structure. Look at this. The Jersey Devil. American craft using engine. So we do have activity there. So we're going to continue to see what happens. And right now in the chat, we've had close to 100 votes. 25% of you say it's going to happen. 45% say it's not. 30% of you evidently like turtles. Okay, and this was another one from Make Gold Great I liked so much. He said yesterday, nobody wants to hear about buying silver until it's too late to buy silver. It's so true. How many of you guys had intestinal fortitude, didn't panic, and you bought the dip? Put it in chat right now. I want to see it. Did you buy the dip? Okay, and look at this. Guys, the mining sector. The mining sector is having the highest profit margins, like 31%. Look, the closest thing to it is financials at 17, technology at 17. Luckily, not only did I buy the dip on metals, but I got a little bit more stock. Nothing crazy. I dropped like $500 into my stocks, got a couple shares here, a couple shares there. I'm so happy I was able to do that. Now, I put this out yesterday. And ladies and gentlemen, we are just 7 minutes away from the danger zone, so don't go anywhere. And please keep smashing that like button. Don't forget to do that. It helps so much. But I put this out yesterday. Mark my words, trillionaires are about to become normal. Elon Musk is racing toward becoming the world's first trillionaire. Meanwhile, billionaires will soon look like small players. Millionaires will fight just to keep their houses. The middle class gets obliterated by inflation and currency decline. Wow. And House in chat saying, my coin shops don't have any Eagles here in Cleveland. Wow, Eagle shortage. Uma Stacker saying, not the dip, bought the dip, waiting for delivery. Awesome. So the point here, and I was piggybacking off David Bateman, the billionaire from Utah, saying Elon will be a quadrillionaire soon. You might be too. He's basically talking about inflation. Remember when I show you guys the bill from Zimbabwe and they went from millions to billions to trillions? Yeah. Okay, guys, I want to show you this. This is so important. Those people who think XRFs are the Tel-Aviv.
And fake. The real gold coin comes in at exactly 1 ounce Troy. We'll put the fake one on here. This one comes in at exactly 1 ounce Troy. And now we're going to take this fake one here and we're going to put it into the XRF. Or can you do that for me?
Yeah, for sure.
Touch your machine here.
Into the XRF. Underneath we go. And it's coming up 999 gold.
So that's actually fake. And it's coming out as 999 gold.
How scary is that?
And the reason you say about that is because it has a
that
thick
XRF's
foil.
costs 20 grand.
It's not a plate, it's actually thick foil of gold wrapped around that thing. So it looks pretty good and it's on weight. When it passes the XRF, it will fail a Sigma. It will fail a magnet test if you know how to do the magnet test. And of course it also fails the thing too.
How scary is that? The XRF says that's fine. And there's a lot of pawn shops, there's a lot of coin shops. They only trust their XRF. Remember, XRFs only go a couple microns in, ladies and gentlemen. If you're trusting a shop that only uses an XRF, you're in trouble. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. Do not buy from a coin shop unless they have a Sigma Metalytics Verifier Pro. And for $38, you can get the pocket pinger here. And that found it. That found it. The $10,000 solution or $20,000 solution didn't. A Sigma $4,000 solution will, but $38, link in the description below, get you a pocket pinger and help support the channel. So don't sleep on that. Okay, that's old news by now. Now look at this. I asked the question, gold to 20,000. What do you think? Wild bet or does somebody know something? So this is from MBA Economics saying, critics claim the gold revaluation isn't possible in this day and age. Well, insiders are steadily building positions, betting that the price of gold will exceed $20,000 per ounce. So look at this. These are strikes at $15,000 and $20,000 an ounce, and they are increasing the open positions. So here's the question for all of you. Look at right here. Look at that. Here's the dates. Look how it's increasing. Here's the question. Are these wild YOLO meme stock bets? People just throwing spaghetti at the wall, yelling Leroy Jenkins and hoping they hit it big? Or does somebody know something? Remember what's happened before all the strikes on Iran, all the major strikes. Insiders were like buying oil, shorting things, going long on things. Is that what this is? Does somebody know something or are people just gambling? Put it in chat right now. Put they know something or put gamble. I'm curious what you guys think. Okay, small nation smart move. The National Bank of Georgia just bought $100 million in physical gold, ladies and gentlemen. That's 15.5% of their reserves, making up about $7 billion. Go read that article there on Kitco if you want to learn more about that. Goldman Sachs, they just 10x their copper deficit forecast from 60,000 tons deficit short to 640,000. Remember, the majority of silver does not come from silver mines. It comes as a byproduct from copper mines, gold mines, all different kinds of mines. And remember, what's critical for copper, sulfuric acid to get the sulfur out of, or get the, not the sulfur, to get the silver and other materials out of it. So that's a pretty important one there. I had a few more here to cover. And guys, my voice is coming back slowly but surely. I feel 100%. It's just the voice. Now here's the question from Rashad. And I posed this to you before market open and people scoffed at me. Silver back to 75 by the end of this week. What do you think? Sound off below. And look at this, Rashad. Would like to see silver minimum at 75 by the end of the week after the next after next week, provided that inverse head and shoulder. So let's look and see if there's an inverse head and shoulders. Let's see if we can see it. Let's try to go to the daily chart for this. Let's see if we can see it. I'm not seeing it there. Okay. Maybe he's on the 4. Okay, let's see if I can see what chart he's on. I'm trying to see what he is on. Okay, let's try the 4 hour. No. Is he on the weekly chart? Guys, good news. The weekly, we are green on the weekly. Let's see it. Let's go to the monthly. We've definitely taken a bite out of the monthly. Look at this. We took a baby gator bite out of the monthly. We're about to turn that green. If we can continue on this. Now, what's my prediction? If this P still holds, we're going to continue to go up in silver. Slowly but surely, we're going to continue to increase with silver and gold. That's my prediction there. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. If the P still doesn't hold and something falls through, we're going to go right back down. So if hostilities break out, Iranians are like, no, and someone does something crazy, we're going to see the price go down on silver and gold. We're going to see oil and the DXY go up. And that's not normal. Normal times it'd be the opposite, but I feel like the market's priced in the P still for a long time, and we didn't see that flight for safety that we normally see. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are officially in the danger zone. Okay, hold up. Could you guys? Oh wait, I could not hear that. Did you guys hear the danger zone right there? If it did the danger zone sound, let me know. I could not hear that. Interesting. Israel won't stop bombing Lebanon, says Jim Reeves. Now, guys, we're back in the charts. We're in the danger zone. We're watching it. Okay, you guys could hear it. I just couldn't hear it. Okay, cool. As long as you guys could hear it, I'm happy. Now, guys, we are in the danger zone. We are firmly in the danger zone. We're going to be in this for another 13 and a half minutes. And then the next big shoe to drop, the big La Bamba, is going to be the Shanghai Futures Exchange. And then after that, I'm going to be running into the park with Mrs. IS and Rat Stacker. We're going to be in Magic Kingdom today. I'm coming to you live from Orlando, Florida in a hotel. We are going to be riding the different rides today. In Disney World, my favorite rides are the Haunted Mansion. The family favorite is Peter Pan. That's a fun one. Let me know in chat. Now, Florida does not have Mr. Toad's Wild Ride like California does, so we're not going to be going on that, unfortunately. We like Pirates of the Caribbean. Because we're Florida residents, we got the Florida Resident Annual Pass, and you can go any weekday in the year, except for like major holidays. And it's expensive. It's like nearly $500, but it's cheap. It's cheap if you go to the park more than once. So as Florida residents, we're able to do that. So that's what we're up here doing. Last minute trip. It wasn't planned, but I brought the whole rig with me. So some of the settings got messed up. Okay. We are firmly in the danger zone here. We are getting some downward pressure. And I hate to say it, ladies and gentlemen, that looks kind of like a shark. Yes. Thank you so much, Master of HF, being a member for 4 months of the Shell Brigade, saying hi to everybody. Guys, I'm looking at chat. If you got a question for me, a statement, or a news update, you got to tag me at International Stacker. If you do that, it makes it orange. It makes it orange, and then I will be able to make sure I see you. Okay, so a couple questions coming in. Suburban man saying, how long will it take for silver to reach pre-war levels of 88? I don't know. If the deal is actually signed, I think what are we in, June? Maybe mid-July we'll be back there. And remember, we weren't just 88. I believe we were in the 90s. We were like marching towards 100 again. And remember, there's usually a June gloom with silver. I don't know where the post is. It was so long ago. But somewhere on my X here, I have a chart that shows traditionally like April, May, June, the price of silver and gold has gone down historically. This is kind of the June gloom for gold and silver. July, August, it starts to turn around and pick up. So not only will we have the success of a signed deal if that happens Friday, which puts us like pretty much nearly another week forward. And so, 1 week away from July. And then the natural progression of that, I do think we could be back to pre-war levels. Mid-July. Danger Arrow says Spark Stacker. Doesn't scream too much today. We've missed your voice. Oh, don't scream too much. Thank you, Cheryl. I know. I'm taking it easy on the voice. It's coming back, though. It is. Okay, we got Dougster saying doubtful mines are removed from the Strait of Hormuz before the deal. As well, it could take 1 to 2 months to clear them all. Yeah, maybe, Dougster, but I think their plan is to clear a pathway. And don't forget, it came out that the U.S. Navy has actually been escorting ships through. So I believe they've already cleared a corridor. They've been demining with little amphibious drones we have. So I think they're going to continue to expand it. But don't forget, there's already a corridor through that has been successful. So they're going to recheck the corridor and expand that, I'm sure, is what they're going to be doing. So not this whole strait doesn't have to be demined for it to be, like, air quote, demined on paper. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've got another 9 minutes here left in this danger zone. We've got... We've been on red candles here. Now, it's something you guys taught me in Boca Raton, Florida, that works 90% of the time, every time, to turn red candle green or green candle to a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator. Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there. I'm telling you, that thing was massive, but we're going to see if it works this time. 90% of the time, every time, the scientists say.
It's science.
They say it. Okay. And ladies and gentlemen, we got about 9 minutes left here in the danger zone. We do have a shark fin here, but we have turned the red candle green. Ladies and gentlemen, we have turned the red candle green.
It's science.
Yes. Okay. And look, we're riding right on this 50 simple moving average. Now, this chart is set to 5 minutes, so this is the 50 simple average of the 5-minute chart. Here's the 200 simple moving average. Just go to the day. Whoops. Let's go to the day. So we could look at the 50-day simple moving average. Okay, so the 50-day is here. It's hard to see. So we're kind of right. We've broken below that, but look here, we gapped up. But look, we gapped up back above the 200-day simple moving average, which is really good. We retook that. So let's go over to gold real quick. Let's see if gold retook that. So on the chart we're on, it's right below the 50 simple moving average for 5 minutes. It's above the 200, but let's go to the day. Whoops, I picked a week. Day. Okay, we are below the 200 and below the 50. We really need to see gold move back up above this 200-day moving average. That would be ideal, but we're looking pretty strong here. Look at this. This very well could be the bottom at about 4,022-ish. Okay, let's go back to here. And ladies and gentlemen, we have about 7 minutes left in this danger zone here. So we're going to keep watching. Let's see what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter. Blue Shadow, thank you for putting out the tweet. Bandito saying 120. What was the question I asked? So Bandito thinks silver's going to 120 because of the copper short. Guys, there's just too much with silver going on. The structural deficit 6+ years, peak mining 2016, the copper short, like all this stuff it's the perfect storm for silver explosion. Thank you, Variable, for putting it out. Stack it high, like it's 1999, same feature motives. Thank you. Joe saying HYMC. Thank you. Okay, I think we're caught up there. Let's go back to here. Let's refresh. Elon Musk, time to get that volcano layer I've always wanted. I think it's in the Beyond section of BB&B. If this works, I'm treating myself to a volcano layer. It's time. Oh wow, I think this was he tweeted this out about space work. If this is so, he might be actually building himself a volcano layer. The Silver Wig saying for the third time, since it's all-time high, and in a blink of eye, the ability for silver in the 60s disappears. Congrats to those who bought the guys who bought in the 60s. And are we done? Are we done with the 60s? Here's that billionaire out of Utah that literally bought like 12.63 million ounces of silver in March of 25, guys. He absolutely killed it. That was before the big run up. There are two life rafts, gold and silver. When one is full, 99% of the population will pile into the other. Take your pick while there are seats still available, says David Bateman. I love that. And guys, if you're not following him, I like his stuff. Doesn't mean I agree with everything he says, but look at this. Here's the reasons I invested close to $1 billion in precious metals over the last 6 months. Guys, this was March 31st of 2025. Can someone find what the price of silver was on March 31st, 2025? Because he bought 1.5% of the global silver supply, 12.69 million ounces. Look at this. These are 1,000-ounce bars. Look at. These are literally pallets, 1,000-ounce bars before AI was like good enough to make stuff like that quickly. And why did he do it? The global monetary system is about to collapse. The Great Reset or Basel Endgame. The biggest credit bubble in history will soon pop, 300 trillion. There's no way the U.S. can refinance its 28 trillion in maturing treasuries in the next 4 years. Trump's tariffs are hastening the collapse, and it's by design. Gold and silver are the only meaningful life raft left. Physical possession is everything. The whole world right now is a sophisticated game of musical chairs, and the chairs are precious metals. Crypto is a psyop. Those who purchase will have no chair when the music stops. Real estate, crypto, stocks, and bonds will all lose significantly compared to precious metals. The banking system has been mathematically designed to seize your assets. Now, guys, we're already seeing a decline in real estate across the United States. Now, when we, because I believe it's coming, have a big market crash, we're going to see real estate go down. We're going to see crypto. We're going to see stocks. We're going to see bonds. We will even originally, if we have a major stock market crash, we're going to see gold and silver go down initially with it. That's what we're going to see. But as time goes on and people see it's not a short-term thing, it's a long-term thing. Besides people getting liquidity, you'll start to see people shifting over their funds into gold and silver as the safety life raft. And that's what will give gold and silver its pop. And that's what he's talking about here. So we'll all lose significantly compared to precious metals. So remember, precious metals will go down a little bit at the start, but I believe it will pop back up. And we've got 3 minutes left here in the danger zone in 5 seconds. Okay, looking back at chat, Northampton West says, you've been following the guys on YouTube that have been diving for that weak silver off the wrecked silver off Key West. Yeah, I have been following that. Guys, look at this. This is literally near me. I could feel the 1,000-ounce bars I slept. Let me show you. They found a like 22-pound silver bar. It's worth like 150 to 200K. Hold up. We're almost to it. I literally just posted this. I post so much though. Did I miss it? I think I missed it. Hold up. Don't panic. Massive silver bar. Hold up. Here it is. 400-year, 22-pound solid silver bar was just pulled out of the ocean near Key. That should say West. I forgot the T. And it's worth 150 to 200K. Legendary treasure from Nuestra Senora de Atosha. Look at that. Let me just show you real quick.
Only on 10.
Let's do that. Let's just go here. Look at that. If I offered it to you now, would you rather have that or a 1,000-pound bar? What would you guys rather have? Okay, guys, we got 2 minute 30 left in this danger zone. Murphquake in chat says it was in the 30s in March of 2020. Yeah, wow. He bought 12.63 million ounces when it was in the 30s. Dude, he's killing it. He put $1 billion in and when it was in its 30s. And then for him, it like probably 3x. So he went from $1 billion to $3 billion. Wow. Jim Reese says $34. Thank you. 1985 spot was 5 or 6 as future motive. Thank you. William Posley says, make sure you have some fractional silver when they crack. Yeah. Silver dimes are the best for that, so you can barter. And guys, look at this. The baby gator has worked. We are just 45 seconds left in the danger zone here. We are in a green candle, 70.77 on silver. Gold's 4,334.34. That gold to silver ratio is sitting at 61.24. Hit a low overnight of 60.99. I think we're going to pretty imminently here be back in the 50s for the gold to silver ratio. We got 29 seconds left here. Wow, he liked one of Shotgun Susie's posts on X. That's awesome, Shotgun. Man, there was one more thing I wanted to show you guys. What was it? Hold up. Let me think here. Thank you, Shotgun for Susie, for putting that out. There was one more thing I remember what I wanted to show you guys. Hold up. I showed it last night in the live stream. This one here. Guys, please smash that like button. I appreciate it so much. This is coming out. Here it is. Here they are. I forgot them at home. I was going to show them this morning. So look at this. This is the Reckless Metals collaboration that's coming out. It is okay. So there's 500 mintage of these. It's the first ever high relief 1 ounce Rolo he's ever done. It's the Battle Crab. There's 500 of them, but 50 of them randomly will be this variant. So 50 of them will randomly be this variant with the Battle Crab with the armor. So you'll get the luck of the draw on this one. So when you buy you get a minimum of the 1 ounce Rolo, 1 of 500, but you have 50 of them are going to be the Battle Crab armor. So you have an opportunity to maybe get that. So those are going to go live Thursday morning. I'm going to put a post on X for all channel members first. So if you want first crack at that, become a channel member and help support the channel. Thank you so much. Thank you to all the channel members. Thank you all to Diamond Claw level members on the stream. I really appreciate you. It's viewers like you that help me do what I do. A big thank you to all the channel members on the stream. I really appreciate y'all. And the question for everyone in chat right now, who has Diamond Claws? Who's got them?
Diamond Claws.
Now, back to what I was saying about that. So that is going to be released Thursday morning. Channel members have till Saturday evening to make their purchase. It's a limit of 2 per person. And then Saturday evening, Reckless Metals is going to have his live stream. He's going to put the rest up for sale there. I'm pretty sure it's going to sell out. I'm going to be on his live stream live, so that's going to be fun. So if you want one and you're a channel member, be watching Thursday morning. And if you want one and you're not a channel member, become a channel member, support the channel, join the crustaceans, come to the war room. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. And get yourself one of those Rolos. But guys, these things, this doesn't even do it justice how sick these are. And look at the other side. That's the other side of it. So cool. And we are pushing higher here, ladies and gentlemen. We are out of the danger zone. So if you're having fun, please smash the like button. We're immediately out of the danger zone to a BGC, a big green candle, $70.97. Our next target here is going to be 71.04. And it looks like we're going to imminently be taking that out with silver. Also, too, we've got a gold pushing higher here. Almost with gold, it almost looks like a DTB. Guys, is that a DTB? Albeit small. Some say it's not the size of the DTB. It's the formation. Could that be a DTB in gold? Let me know what you think in chat. Keep smashing that like button, guys. Helps the channel so much. Are you staying on property? No, Okie Stacker. I'm in a Marriott property. Your boy, from traveling so much, I'm super high tier in a Marriott, so I always stay Marriott. Sometimes I do stay on property with the Dolphin and Swan if we want early entry. But since we have annual passes, we're like OGs now, and we don't really need the early entry. So I stay off property in a nice Marriott hotel, and it's about 20% of the price. You know your boy. Stay off property, do a little bit of extra work in the planning, and buy more gold and silver. And we have on silver, we're back over that 50 simple moving average. In gold, we're back over the 50 as well. Wow. Okay, guys, we're poised to do something great here. And just the next big shoe to drop here is 26 minutes away. The Shanghai Futures Exchange opens here in 25 minutes. Wow. Who's having fun this morning? Let me know in chat. Oh, did you guys see Rat Stacker got her lightsaber? A bunch of you guys donated. I want to make sure you guys all saw it. A bunch of you guys donated on the live stream. I need to go here. A bunch of you guys donated so Rat Stacker could get a wand she wanted, and I made a whole shot of it. So here it is right here. Rat Stacker getting her wand. Rat Stacker's quest for a wand. This is Mrs. IS. This is Rat Stacker.
I love it. Thank you.
Okay, so she got her wand, but look at this. So in Harry Potter, there's this little creature here. Let me show you. Hold up. This little creature here is called a Niffler. And the Nifflers steal gold and silver coins and bars and stuff. And she did a wand thing, and it made the Niffler move, and it's literally dropping coins. It's so apropos, I think. Okay, guys, we just took out our next target here. We just took out our next target. And we are at 7101. We just hit 7105. 1 second here. I gotta boost this in my headphones a little bit. Okay. We just hit 7105 there. Isn't her voice funny, guys? I love it. Thank you. She's so funny. Thank you to everyone who sent her birthday gifts. And a few of you brought some birthday gifts for her. She just turned 13 to the Hidden Horde. Guys, the Hidden Hordes are crazy. If you don't know about it, check out the website. You could see live all day today. You could check out the live metals prices, even when I'm not live on gold, silver, copper, platinum, palladium. All the information you need here. But if you go here, Hidden Horde, these are on the next giveaways. So make sure you sign up for this website. It's free. Join the mailing list. You could sign up here for these meet and greet. If you come to one of these locations, not only are you going to get a free I Caught the King Crab coin and some other swag, maybe join the 42nd Battle Crab Brigade if Craig's in chat. But also, I'm going to be hiding 5 ounces of silver for you guys to hide each of these times. So you can sign up here if you want more information, but keep your eye on the Hidden Horde. I'm going to be adding more locations soon. Thank you, Jeff. Yeah, William's going to be... Okay, let me know in chat. If you are going to be at the meet and greet or try to get the Hidden Horde in Orlando, July 9 to 11, put 1 in chat. If you're going to be in Springfield, July 15 to 20, somewhere in and more dates, the exact date's coming. Put a 2 in chat if you're going to be at the Springfield meet and greet / Hidden Horde. Put a 3 in chat if you're going to be at the Pittsburgh A&A. Let's see what it looks like. I do need to come to Michigan, Cheryl. Oh, Kat, I was on vacation. I got sick. I completely lost my voice for multiple days. So yes, I'm not sick anymore. It's just the voice is taking a while to bounce back. So depending on the price action today, I might do a short walk and talk this evening instead of the full-blown stream. But if the price is going crazy, I'll probably do a full-blown stream. But I might try to not go as long this evening to rest the voice so it gets back to 100% quicker. And silver just pushed higher to 7106 here as I pop a Ricola in my mouth. Okay, we got someone in chat coming to Orlando, someone coming to Illinois. We got people coming to Pittsburgh. Nice. Guys, I've got like 10 plus people signed up for Springfield. That's going to be an epic one. And guys, we are pushing higher here on silver. We just hit 71.13 on silver. We're at 4.52% since 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time last night. Gold is pushing as well. On gold, we're up 3.02%. So that gold to silver ratio is going to continue to plummet and close. We might be back in the 50s here to 1 soon. And we're pushing even higher here on silver. Who in chat Who in chat is going to get that battle crab? The Reckless Metals International Stacker collab. Let me know. We're pushing even higher here. Just hit 71.21. Our next target 71.50. Cap VR in chat saying have chicken noodle soup and ginger ale on Fisherman's Friends and take a day off. Not a doctor's orders. Thank you, Cat. Have you bought the SpaceX IPO? Yeah. I bought 2 shares of the SpaceX IPO. I think in 15 days or 14 days now, whatever it is, 13 days, I don't know. When a bunch of people's retirement funds buy into it, I think it's going to pop. At that point, my plan is to liquidate and then shift it over into gold and silver mining stocks. Okay. Oh, Michael D, I'm sorry. I thought I emailed you. Michael D sent Rat Stacker a Lego set, a silver Lego set. She loved it, Michael D. I filmed a video of it. I'm going to figure out how to release it or make a short of it or something. She absolutely loved it. She ran and got her other piece that she got before, and she was building all kinds of little things. Thank you so much, Michael D. Rat Stacker loved it. Okay, North Star with super chat saying, would you ever come to Canada? Yes. North Star, I am planning a Canadian meet and greet. We've got a lot of Canadian channel members and subscribers. The number one is the US. My second most subscribed is Canada. And then I think it's the UK. And then I think it's Australia. So yes, I am planning to do a meet and greet up there. I'm planning to do that. My next international is probably going to be Australia and New Zealand. And then Mrs. IS said to me the other day, we should go to Scotland because there's a bunch of Harry Potter stuff in there. Is anyone in chat from Scotland? Let me know. Or is anyone in chat, would you travel to Scotland for a meet and greet? How many people do we have that live close? Let's see. I know we got a few Scottish. I know we got a few Irish. I don't know if they're in chat right now. Oh. I went to blow my nose and knocked the microphone over. Oh my goodness. There we go. Meister Stacker's saying, sold my junior mining stocks to buy SpaceX. A lot of people did that. A lot of people liquidated. I did not. Northampton would travel up. How far of a flight would that be for you, Northampton? Or is that a drive? I'm assuming it's a flight. Looks like traffic in the Strait of Hormuz is picking up. I mean, it kind of does. Look. That's India flag. LK, I'm not sure what that is. But look, oh my goodness. A search and rescue aircraft. Look at their picture. Oh my goodness. That is funny. We got all these. These are buoys. Iranian buoys. Look, Iran put... There's all kinds of new buoys out here. We still got clumps. Clumps. We still got clumps. I don't know. Supposedly Friday is supposed to be wide open. Okay, guys, we are just 17 minutes away from Shanghai Futures Exchange opening up. Don't go anywhere. Please smash the like button if you're having a good time. You find value here. The next 15 people to smash like are going to get good luck for 47 hours.
It's science.
And Radio Joe San Diego says, yeah, oh yeah, I just read that. I just get the train. It's free for me, says Northampton. Nice. Elder Joshua Hetrick says, I would go to Scotland for a meet and greet, but I live in Michigan. Nice. Dexter says, BRICS to start their own precious metals exchange. Wow. Gold to silver ratio 61.1 to 1, says Huma Stacker. Let's check. Yeah, 61.1. We were as low last night as 60.99, but I think we're going to break into the 50s today if this price action continues. I'll email you reference Harry Potter stuff. Oh, thank you. If you have time in the road trip to North Coast 500, yes, please email me that stuff, Northampton. Thank you. Spark says, I'm a Scottish lord and going to the next clan gathering if your trip matches. Oh, that'd be sick, Sparks. But you got to come in your kilt. Silver to gold. Thank you. Thank you, Emma. Christian here saying, there's a big coin show in Edmonton during the springtime. Come visit. I'll bring you to shoot some guns in the mountains, he says. Thank you, Christian. Andrew says, did we fill the gap? No, we've got a massive gap. Oh my gosh, Becky, look at that gap. That thing's massive in silver and gold, but don't panic. We'll fill it. Do not panic. Michael says London, England would be a better experience for Harry Potter fan. Well, that's what I was thinking. I was thinking maybe land in London, spend a day or two there, and then fly to Scotland for a couple days. You know, a whole 1-2 punch. Floyd Lottinger says, I wouldn't be surprised if SpaceX stock drops over the next year or two, but over the long term, I think it's good. I'm holding on to mine. Yeah, I think short term will have a pop because 15 days into it is when it's a new rule written into the NASDAQ that after 15 days, all the retirements are going to start buying into it. All the index funds are going to start buying into it. So I think we'll see a short-term pop. So that's my short-term flip opportunity I'm trying to play. We'll see if it works. If not, I'll just long-term hold it. I agree. Victor says 10 foil hat time. I think the week was planned to be a green week to benefit SpaceX in its opening week. And make Wash sounds dovish, even though he'll basically say nothing. Thank you, Victor. I mean, could be. Could be. Okay. Let's see what you guys are saying here on X, formerly known as Twitter. Next X is saying, yesterday I found a 1947 nickel. How much is it worth? Probably not much. I mean, unless it's in an immaculate condition. Remember, war nickels are 1942 and 43. 1942. Yeah, 1942 to 1945. Those are 35% silver. So 1940. Oh wait, did you say 1945? Did you say 1945? Hold up. Where did that go? I lost it. I lost it. Did you say 19? Did he say 1945? Why can I not see it? Okay, if you said 1945, that means it would be a 35% silver nickel. And let me tell you, that is worth right now at spot price $3.99 at spot. Which if you went to sell it, so the people would pay you under spot for it. Oh, 1947. Yeah, no. 1945 would be worth $3.99. The Floyd. Oh, thank you, Jolly Lollipop, for the super chat saying, will you be visiting Madagascar soon? Good place. I'm sure it is. But unfortunately, I have no plans to visit Madagascar. But you never know. The Floyd Lawton saying, go to Harry Potter Experience in London. They have original costumes. Oh, thank you. I didn't know about that. You guys, you know what I want to find? If any of you know about it, let me know. I'm going to crowdsource this. I want to find an experience where it's like a Harry Potter experience in a castle. Where you like go spend the night in the castle, like you gotta put on the like little clothes, walk around to classes. If you guys know anything about that, let me know. I will do that for Rat Stacker. I will film it, our adventures, and I will attempt to learn a spell, alchemy spell to turn things into silver and gold. And if I can do that, I'll share the wealth with you. Kelly Gage says if he's looking for a nickel above the war dates, you want a 1950D, lowest minted nickel. Thank you, Kelly Gage. You want a 1950D? Yeah, definitely no soup for Rick. Sorry, Rick. No soup for Rick. That is for sure. We got about 900 people on the stream, but 350 likes, guys. Keep smashing it. We are only 50 likes away from 400. I know we can certainly do that. Okay, let's go here. There we go. Thank you so much, High Low Stacker, for gifting a membership. That went to Hogs Baffleworth. Congratulate. I love your guys' screen names. They're so funny. Say thank you to High Low for the membership. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. I'll see you in the next war room. Victor saying technically living under a staircase is also Harry Potter experience. Yeah, well, yeah. Here you go, Rat Stacker. Stay under there for a week. This is your Harry Potter experience. Hey, Hogs Baffleworth is in chat. Hogs, check out your new emojis. You got a bunch of different emojis to use for different things, so check them out, test them. Make sure you get them right. You guys, you want to know what's funny? Within like a week, we went from, look at this massive red dip. We went from this.
I am never going to financially recover from this.
Then literally we're saying don't panic. Do not panic. And then we went to this massive gap up, and now we got a live feed from the COMEX. Who watched the UFC fight last night? Let me know. If you guys want to see a clip from the UFC fight last night, put UFC in chat. It's directly related to gold and silver. I'll show it if enough of you want to watch it. It's short. It's 10 seconds. And guys, we're just 9 minutes away from the Shanghai Futures Exchange opening here. Thank you again for all the super chats. Thank you, guys. This is my full-time job. So every time you super chat, become a member, gift a membership, it helps immensely. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you for just hanging out with this random dude on the internet with crabs. The Dugan clan has castles you can stay in. I will email you the. Thank you, Sparks. Okay, you guys want to see the clip? Here's the live clip from the UFC last night. Hint: the bankers showed up.
Dudley! Smith! A fallen hard with one arm on the top. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not. Major choke slam.
Hogs Baffleworth says this is a great channel, even though sometimes I troll. Hey, I enjoy a fun troll. I'm a troll myself. So as long as it's not like crazy, you're not like, you know, doing anything illegal or sketchy or like being a jerk to other, yeah, you can troll a little bit. We all troll a little bit sometimes. Update on the Reckless. Oh, you missed it. Okay, Kyle. It is right here. It is going live Thursday morning to channel members first. So if you want, if you want the first run at this, I'm going to be posting here on YouTube a channel member only post. Any level channel member gets access to it. So become a channel member if you want access to it. This is it. It's 500 of them are minted. Now, it's 1 ounce. It's high relief. It's amazing. It comes in a capsule. It's numbered.
Bro,
now, look at that.
My little camera
doesn't
do it justice.
Of the 500 mintage, 50 of them randomly are going to be the Battle Crab edition wearing the armor. So you're either going to get one of 450 or one of 50. And it's going to be randomly assigned. It's a maximum of 2 per person. So that's going to go live Thursday morning. And then Saturday evening on his live stream, I'll be on it. He's going to open it to the masses. I'm expecting it to sell out pretty quick. So make sure to get yourself one. Cat Stacker gifted a membership. Thank you. That went to Aaron. Aaron, make sure you say thank you to Cat Stacker. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. I see Aaron all in here all the time. Oh, guys, Reckless Metals is in chat. Guys, Reckless Metals is in chat. Here. And Reckless, I messed up. I went on a trip yesterday after the live stream. Guys, I didn't get in here to sleep till 2:30 last night, setting everything up. I meant to bring these with me in person to show them off, and I left them on my desk, but I showed them off last night, Reckless. Guys, is this not amazing work by Reckless? And I like this back a lot.
It's pretty dang cool.
Look at the back. I love the back a lot. So Reckless Metals is in chat. He's a legend. If you don't know about him, you need to know. And ladies and gentlemen, we are just 6.5 minutes away from Shanghai opening. Right here. I'm going to be asking you guys, are we gapping up or are we gapping down? Are we team green or are we team red? Let me know right now. But I will be on Reckless Metals live stream. Reckless, are we going to do some sort of giveaway when I'm on there? I love giveaways. I love giving people free silver, Reckless. Reckless, when I come on there on Saturday evening and we announce to the masses the rest of the Rolos, whatever's left, because I'm pretty sure the channel members are going to take a big bite out of them. Can we give some silver away, Reckless? Can we do it? Let me know. Can we give away a 10-kilo cast of a baby gate? No, I'm kidding. I'm joking. That would just be ridiculous. Thank you so much, Silver Slugger, for the jewels. Oh. You guys, Reckless Metal saying we can give away some silver when I'm on his live stream. So make sure you're on his live stream Saturday evening. Reckless, can you drop the link to your channel in chat so people can bookmark it? How to get a custom mold to make your own round, says Log. People like Reckless Metals or SGT Stacking, you work with them, they will 3D print the mold, and then they will sand cast it. But also, too, Reckless just picked up a new piece of equipment, ladies and gentlemen. He can make coins. It's an expensive process, though. So if you just like want 1 or 2 coins, it would not be worth it. To make it worth it, you got to get like probably hundreds, if not thousands of them made, because it's expensive. You guys, for this Rolo, just the dies alone were like $1,000. Was it, Reckless? Like $1,250 or something? It was crazy, but it's pretty cool. Okay, here we go. We're 4.5 minutes away from Shanghai. Are we gapping up or down? Let me know. See what you guys are saying on here. Okay, we're caught up there. Let's refresh this. Look at this. China imports 157 metric tons of gold in April. Someone refresh my memory. Does the winner or loser of the war pay the other side of reparations? Okay. Chaos says, careful, IS. Reckless makes me tingle. Don't talk too much about it. About him too much. That's funny. Oh, man, I was just going to say something. What was it going to be? It was good. Okay, guys, 3 minutes and 45 seconds. And we're on a green candle going up. We're at 71.05. We closed at 77, so it's only like a $6 premium right now. Are we gapping up or are we gapping down? Let me know. Okay. Reckless, I'm going to make you a moderator. Please don't ban everybody. But I'm making you a moderator so you pop out to me more so I can see your responses. Reckless Metals, I made you a moderator. Please do not ban everybody. I just need to be able to see you. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 3-minute warning. 3-minute warning. Are we gapping up? Are we gapping down? Are we just crab walking? What do you guys think? And guys, big shout out to Hero Bullion for sponsoring the channel. They sponsored the Hidden Horde. Those bars are amazing. They're immaculate. It's still not too late. It's still not too late to get 5 ounces at spot before silver's back in the 80s. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. 5 ounces at spot, free shipping. But if you also go to the main website, they've got these special Happy Birthday America bars. There's only 1,776 of them, the 5 and 10 ouncer, and these things are shiny. They are nice. And they're only $1.49 over spot, which is pretty cool. The copper sold out. It's done. These two, there's not many left. So I just picked one of these up yesterday. And yes, I paid full price. I picked one of these up yesterday before the market opened. They're only $1.49 over spot, and they're limited. Like, how much better can you get with generic silver that's limited? That's so cheap over spot. Okay, here we go. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Reckless Metal says, I'm going on Oprah Winfrey. I'm going to Oprah Winfrey this chat. You get a ban. You get a van. You get a ban. That's funny. That's funny, Reckless. Reckless is blue. If he was green, he would die, says Hogs Baffleworth. Now, I get a lot of your guys' jokes. That was a joke about the song by Eiffel 65, I'm blue, dabba deeba da die. And I remember all kinds of conspiracies about that song when I was a kid. But I do think that was a funny joke. Thank you for that. Thank you for that, Hogs. I got it. West Texas says, what kind of van? Is it a Chevy? Okay. 1 minute warning. Are we going up or down? Let me know right now. This is the big La Bamba. Buckle up. Channel members, drop the buckle up emoji. And 91 Yates says on the SL1 charts, a crab harmonic pattern is in play with the all-time high of 151. Guys, we've got breaking news from Yates. We've got a crab harmonic pattern forming. This has never happened in recent time. Okay, we're 28 seconds away from the market opening here in Shanghai. Are we gapping up or are we gapping down? Let me know. This is the perfect song for it. I'm literally dancing in my seat right now. Let's see what we can do. Mrs. IS laughs at me because I like tap my feet to like the intro music. And I'm all in this, like the music's in my ears. It's going crazy. But if you just look at me, it looks like there's nothing playing. I'm just like doing crab claws with my hands. So funny. Massive gap up, massive gap up, massive. Massive. Oh my gosh, Becky, look at that bar. Massive, massive gap up. You could drive a Mack truck through that thing. Gapped up to 78.96 here. 78.98. Team Green took it. Everyone on Team Green, if you guessed Team Green gap up, you are now, because you're right, you're getting good luck for 27 and a half years.
It's science.
Congratulations. Look at that. Please smash the like button if you're having fun. I'm glad the internet connection here held up, guys. I got nervous when I first went live. It said I was dropping frames. I'm like, oh no. I was like, oh no, the internet connection here is not good enough. But we got 1,000 people on the stream right now, 414 likes. So keep smashing like. We're only 76 likes away from a 500 like stream. I know we can do that. And thank you to all the new members. Thank you to everyone who super chatted. This is my full-time job. So I truly, duly, really appreciate it. 91 Yates will email me. Yeah, please email me that. And give me information on it. I'll do a post about it. That'll be fun. I'm driving international. I eat Peter built for a breakfast, says David. Nice. Drive safe. Stop texting and driving, David. Focus on the road for the love of God. Joe Ina saying, I missed you, bro. Woke up today singing your songs. IS is our guy. Well, I miss you guys too. Do you know how miserable it was for me? I talk a lot even with the family. I could not talk. I was like doing sign language. And so I do a noise for Rat Stacker's rats and they'll come running. I go like that. I could not make noise, audible tones come off of my vocal cords. It was gone. So to get their attention and interact in the wild, I had to do rat noises. So I go like, and they reacted. It was our own language. Some say I wrote a constitution. No, I'm kidding. Okay. Let's see what you guys are saying here. Okay, here's the situation, guys. I'm going to go take Rat Stacker and Mrs. IS into the Magic Kingdom. But let's crab raid somebody. I'm going to be back on tonight. Look at Kalilo is live with one watcher. We should certainly crab raid him. We should certainly crab raid Kalilo. He's got a great channel. 593 subscribers. He deserves to at least be to 1,000. So we will crab raid him and have some fun. But I will be live this evening. Now, do you guys want me for one of these nightly live streams? I don't know if it'll be tonight or another night. Do you want me to go live for a walk and talk inside one of the parks? I'm talking Magic Kingdom. I'm talking Epcot, Hollywood Studio. Do you guys want me to do that? Because if you do, I will. Let's go to here. Give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. Stand by. Keep smashing that like, guys. We're literally 5 likes away from 450. I know we could do that. It helps a lot. It really does. Like customization. Okay, here. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, I got that teed up. Guys, I've really evolved. I'm giving you the high quality show from a hotel room. It wasn't, I mean, I did have to bring a lot with me, but it's okay. Okay, yes, you guys want it. Okay, so I might do it from the park in Hollywood Studios because it's got Star Wars World. That's my favorite. Or maybe Epcot. We'll see. You'll end up in Disney Jail. Do it, says Kyle. I'll stream from a Disney Jail. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Please smash the like button. Again, the name's International Stacker. Check out my videos. I got videos around the world on gold and silver adventures, and I literally mean around the world. Over 2,300 of them. I'll be live this evening in some way, shape, or form. Thank you so much. I'll say catch you on the next one. And let's go raid Kalilo. We're going to flood the chat with crabs. We're going to smash the like button. If you feel so inclined, subscribe. He's almost 2,000. Let's go.